While many Ripple XRP investors seem to be losing hope following XRP's poor performance in recent months, Matt Hamilton, former director of developer relations at Ripple, is bullish on the cryptocurrency. According to a Twitter thread, Hamilton claimed that XRP will one day rise to $100. In today's video, we'll talk about what Ripple's former director believes about XRP's future. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. In late 2017 and 2018, Ripple took a dizzying leap and briefly became the second most capitalized cryptocurrency in the world after Bitcoin. This growth was followed by a long and painful decline in the exchange rate and market capitalization of XRP. The drop turned out to be even deeper on average than the overall drop in cryptocurrency capitalization. The SEC filed a complaint against Garlinghouse and Ripple Labs co-founder Chris Larsen in December 2020, alleging that Ripple crypto was being marketed as an unauthorized security. XRP has fallen massively from its all-time high of $3.40 recorded on January 7, 2018. The cryptocurrency has plunged massively amid mounting Securities and Exchange Commission charges against the blockchain firm for conducting an unregistered securities offering in the US. Meanwhile, the performance of XRP depends solely on the outcome of the test, which is expected to end no later than March 31, 2023. Matt Hamilton, currently the director of developer relations at Belives, said that he could imagine that the price of the digital asset XRP would reach $100 one day. Between Feb 2021 and September 2021, Hamilton worked at Ripple as director of developer relations, and between September 2021 and March 2022, he was the lead developer attorney at the California-based fintech company. Hamilton, the current director of developer relations at Belives, held the same position at Ripple between September 2021 and March 2022. Hamilton still has a high opinion of cryptocurrencies tied to the famous blockchain company and its infrastructure despite leaving Ripple. Hamilton made his XRP prediction following criticism from a Bitcoin headline who criticized a Ripple enthusiast for suggesting in a video that XRP would skyrocket to $100. The Bitcoin enthusiast noted that XRP can't reach $100 because the cryptocurrency is literally a worthless entry in a centralized database. Hamilton first noted that the XRP ledger is not a centralized database, and that while he does not do price predictions, it's certainly possible for XRP to reach $100 at some time. On May 31, Hamilton explained why the digital asset XRP was able to remain in the top 10 crypto assets by market cap. The XRP price started 2022 at 83 cents and then dropped to a low of 55 cents on Jan 24, 2022, when cryptocurrencies were sold off. XRP rallied to 91 cents on Feb 18, but was unable to sustain the gains, falling back to 63 cents on February 24 as financial markets fell sharply. XRP price rose to 90 cents on March 28, but was unable to hold that level, falling to the 56 cent level on May 8. On May 10, the coin was trading at 52 cents. Despite all the legal issues that have limited the availability of the XRP coin for trading on crypto exchanges in the US, still, it's the sixth largest cryptocurrency. Currently, XRP is trading around 39 cents and its market cap is $39.7 billion. That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.